The refractive lens exchange is a surgical procedure that is performed on patients essentially over the age of 50, perhaps 55, and it's designed for patients with dysfunctional lens syndrome and declining visual performance. The human lens is surgically removed in a sterile surgical environment with the patient numb and in a twilight sedated state. A very advanced intraocular lens is placed where the dysfunctional lens has been removed, and this lens fixes distance vision, fixes near vision, fixes astigmatism, and really restores vision to a much more youthful state where people have a natural range of visual performance. In the right circumstance, refractive lens exchange can give a patient a return to vision without eyeglasses and contact lenses permanently, without further need for procedures for the rest of their